Hi, my name is Trey Du. I'm a support engineer here at E1 Solutions. Today I'll be showing you how to validate the SmartConnect 21 WCF service after you install it. So after you get that WCF service up and running, you can go into IIS to make sure it's working as expected. Once in here, go to your website that you're hosting it on, and then you can go into your Sites tab here, and you can find that SmartConnect WCF service right here. Once in here, double click on it, and then you can go into the content view and find this smartconnect.svc. Right click on that to go browse to it, and then that should open up a local host thing. And if everything's working correctly, you should see the SmartConnect WCF service page pop up here. So if you want to see if other people can now connect to this domain, go back into that IIS here and find that domain right here. Mine's called this win. So I'm just going to steal it real quick here and then go back into here and replace that local host with that server name. So once I do that and I keep the port and the SmartConnect.svc, you'll see it is still connected and I can still refresh and get in there. Another good test to make sure everything is working, and I'll do get map list. It'll ask me for my SmartConnect username and password, so you can enter that in here. And you can see it pulls up all the good maps, all the maps that you have in your SmartConnect instance. And if you don't get this page, it means something is still set up incorrectly. And if you aren't able to even see that localhost one, like it's just blank or anything, you might not have your SmartConnect service even set up or is running. So to check if it's running, you can just go into your services tab, scroll down to the SmartConnect service here, check if it's running. You can right click it to start and stop it here as well if you need to. Or it might not be created at all. And to create it, you just need to go into your config tool, go into the edit API service, click into here. You can leave these two as B, and then you can give it your service user, which is just your Windows user on your Windows machine. So mine's going to be administrator. And then I will enter in the password for it, and then everything was good. It should be successful. You might need to add a domain, which is just that domain that I showed earlier. And you can also go into the command prompt, type who am I, and I'll also show you that domain if you need that domain in this setting. Otherwise, you can press save to start it, or start stop here as well. And that is how you validate the SmartConnect 21 WCF service once you get that all installed using IIS and the SmartConnect tools.